Okay, this one is the continuation of your chapter 30. Okay, so I was telling you that today is 30/10/2019 class 3 exam begins after 9 days. From which date do the exam begins? Okay, uh, in class 3rd, today is 30. Okay, so after 9 days back I will give you exam in class. Okay, so today is 30. So after 9 days, which date it will be the exam begin? Okay, today is 30. 31, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in 8 November 2019 exam will begin. Okay, so here. Number 4, if the alphabet is written backward, which alphabet will come on 4th position? From backward, if we write the alphabet, which alphabet will come in 4th position? So, Z, Y, X and W. Okay, W will come on 4th position if we written from backward. Okay, so W will come in 4th position. W, X, Y, Z. Okay, this one is in 4th position. Number 3, complete the sequence. Okay, number A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E. Okay, here one alphabet they have left and they have given. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, here is B, C, D, E. So after D, what alphabet will come? E. So after E, which alphabet will come? F. So E, F will come in here. Okay, so number here also. After F, after E, it will come F. Okay, F. Then after F, it will come G. So here, after F, which alphabet will come? F, G. Okay, G. After G, which alphabet will come? H. So G, H. Okay, here, after G, which alphabet will come? H. Okay, right here, H. After H, which alphabet will come? I. So H, I. After H, which alphabet will come? I. After I, it will come J. So we have to fill in the blanks like this. Okay. So number B, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. They have left 4 number and given 25. Okay. And after 25, they have left 4 number and given 29. After 29, they have left 4 number and given 33. Okay, after 33, if we left 4 number, which number will come? 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37. Okay, here it will come 37. After 37, we again left 4 and it came 41. And after 41, again we have to leave 4. So how much? 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. Here 45. After 45 again we have to add 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Again 49. After 49 again we have to leave 4 and it will come 53. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Okay, number C. Z, A, YB, XC, WD. Okay, that they have given backward alphabet. Okay, Z, Y, X, W. Okay, W, X, Y, Z they have given backward. Okay, second A, B, C, D. Okay, after W, which alphabet will come? Before W, which alphabet will come? V. V, W, X, Y, Z. So after D, which alphabet will come? E. So B, E. Before V, which alphabet will come? U. And after E, which alphabet will come? F. So U, F. So before U, which alphabet will come? T. After F, G. Okay, like this. Here, before T, it will come 7, and after G, it will come H. Okay, we have to write here S, H. D, 5B, 5. 7D, 7, 9, 7. Okay, 5, and they have left 2 number and given 7. Okay, here also B, C they have left and D given. Okay, like that only. Here also 2 number they have left and they gave 9. And after D, E they have left and F came. No, like that only. Here 9, after U left 2, 9, 10, 11. It will come 11, and UF, B, C, D, E, F, which alphabet they left? G they left, and they write here H. So here 11, 12, 13. So 13, they left I and came J, 13. Okay. Again here 13, 14, 15, 15. J, they left K, and they, it came L alphabet. Okay. So down, number 6. What comes in place of question mark? Okay. So here are A and option we have to choose. Okay. This drawing, and after that it came like this. Same and same. No. So after this came. Okay. Then after this same it came. No. And after this same it came, but in different position. Again what will come? It will come this one. Okay. This one, but this will be up and this will be down. So this one. Okay. Number B. Here are box which is similar to this one, but their position is different but similar, right? So this and this also similar. So after this came. No. And after this same similar came. Then after this came. Similar but in different position but similar. Again after this we have to make like this, similar like this. But here which is the similar? So this one is similar. So right here. Number C. Arrow is given here. This arrow and this arrow is similar. Look. But they have given in different position, but this two is similar and this two is similar. So first one, this one came, and after that this one came. Again similar, this one came. After that again similar, this one came. Again here which will come? Similar it will come. No. So this one is similar. So this right tick here. Okay. Number 7. Identify the odd one out. Okay. We have to tick which one is odd. Okay. Which one is odd. So number A. This arrow is in triangle. This one is in triangle. This one is also in a triangle. This one is also in a triangle. But this one is in a circle. So this one we have got odd. So number B. Here are also, this one is also in a triangle, triangle, triangle. But this one is little. Look, this one is little rectangle, and this one is also circle. So this one is odd. Okay. Number 8. Read the sentence and choose the correct answer. Number 1. The brown cat is larger than the grey cat but similar than the white cat. Which cat is larger than white cat or the grey cat? Okay, here are 2 cats. Okay. No. Here are three colors of cat. Okay. Brown, grey and white. Okay. Brown cat is larger than grey. Okay. Brown cat is bigger than grey. Okay. Cat. Okay. But similar than the white. Grey but brown and white cat is similar. Okay. Their size is similar. And the brown cat is larger than the grey cat. Okay, but brown cat is smaller than the white cat. Okay, white cat is bigger than grey cat and brown cat. So which cat is larger than white cat or the grey cat? So white cat is the larger than grey cat and brown cat. So tick right in a white cat. Number 2. The coconut tree is taller than the oak tree. The fir tree is taller than the coconut tree. Which tree is shorter, oak tree or the fir tree? The coconut tree is taller than oak tree. Okay. Coconut tree is taller than oak tree. The fir tree is taller than the coconut tree. Okay, the fir tree is taller than coconut tree. But which tree is shorter, oak tree or fir tree? So, oak tree is shorter than fir tree, okay, because fir tree is taller than coconut tree and oak tree is smaller than coconut tree. So, that means oak tree is smaller, okay, shorter. Number 3. Bangalore city is smaller than Chennai city, but larger than Kolkata city. Which city is larger, Kolkata city or Chennai city? Okay, Bangalore city is smaller than Chennai city. Bangalore city is small than Chennai city, okay, but larger than Kolkata. Bangalore city is larger than Kolkata, okay. Which city is larger, Kolkata or Chennai? Bangalore city is smaller than Kolkata. Okay. So, which city is larger? So, Chennai city is larger. Okay. Because Bangalore city is smaller than Chennai city. So, but larger than Kolkata. Kolkata and Bangalore city is smaller than Chennai city. Okay. So, Chennai city is largest city. Number 4. Manan earned more money than Rudra but less money than Manju. Okay. Manan earned more money than Rudra. Okay. But less money than Manju. Okay. So who earned more money, Rudra or Manju? So Manju earned more money because Manan earned more than Rudra but less money than Manju. Rudra used to earn less than Manju. So, who earned more money? So, Manju earned more money than Rudra. Okay. So, number 5. The Oreo biscuit is not smaller than the glucose biscuit. The oatmeal biscuit is smaller than the glucose biscuit. Which biscuit is smaller, Oreo biscuit or the oatmeal biscuit? Oatmeal biscuit is smaller biscuit, okay, because Oreo biscuit is not smaller than glucose biscuit, okay, not smaller than glucose biscuit. The oatmeal biscuit is smaller than glucose because Oreo biscuit is smaller than glucose. Glucose is big. Okay, so the oatmeal biscuit is smaller than glucose. Okay, glucose is the big biscuit. So which biscuit is smaller? Oatmeal biscuit is smaller. Okay, number 9. Circle the odd one out. Okay, number 1, barometer, thermometer, hydrometer. So this one is same name but diameter is odd. Okay, this one is odd. So circle it here. Number 3, Hindi, Punjabi, Devangiri, Telugu. So this Hindi, Punjabi and Telugu is a language, but Devangiri is not a language. Okay, so this one is odd. Number 3, read, write, learn, but knowledge is odd. Read, write, learn are similar name, but knowledge is different. So this one is odd. So circle it. Number 4, dinar, dollar, vaccine, ken, euro. So Dina Dholar arrow is the same, but Vatican is the odd, so you circle it here. For today, this much only, and do this all in your notebook, not notebook, in this exercise book, okay? And study and learn for your exam, okay? For today, this much only. Thank you.